All right, KMR, we're prepping for Formula Drift. Got the old green Monster RX8 getting ready for a fresh wrap. So we had to clean everything up. So we're going to unwrap basically the protective materials. We got a bunch of body work on the ground. And we're going to put our body kit on this car so we can get one step closer to getting the car wrapped for competition. So, time to put all of that back onto this. There we go. So we've got most of our aero kit on. We're prepped for the most part for wrapping in the next couple days. We've got Wrap Legends and AWS graphics combined to do a killer new graphics package and beautiful wrap. So this car will transform from this semi-gloss black to a full custom wrapped race car just in the next few days. So please continue to watch the channel, watch the videos. I really appreciate everybody who's been commenting, and we're going to try to keep the videos up. My goal is to do a video a day talking about either the race team or dropping some rotary knowledge or rotary something from either KMR or Mazda Tricks, because we've always got a lot of projects going on, and I appreciate everybody enjoying the technical aspect of the channel. So with the Formula Drift car and getting ready for wrap, we've got the majority of our bodywork fastened, but you can see right here we're actually using aircraft fasteners. These are known as Clecos. And they're a temporary pop rivet. So in the case where we need to fasten body panels, but we're not quite ready to pop rivet, or we're test fitting, we'll often use Clecos, and they're magical. Absolutely love them. They're used in aircraft and race car fabrication. And then other areas, we are using Zeus buttons for fastening. Although with drift cars, I think we still do a lot of the times rely on zip ties. So with like our back bumper, stealing a little bit of this style from the RTR team and some of the other pro drift teams, we're fastening the back bumper with zip ties, and there's an aluminum backing plate that's actually pop riveted in there. So the body gaps stay fairly good. But in the case of contact, we often make contact with the back of drift cars along walls. There's potential contact with competitors. We're not rigid mounted enough or mounted into the taillight. The taillight's mounted separately from the trunk, the rear fender, which is fiberglass and quite flexible. Big Duck Club KMR flexible fiberglass, and an ABS rear bumper. So basically this whole rear section can kind of squish in up to our rear crash bar if needed so. And it will need to this year. I'm definitely going to rub some walls, bang some fenders. We're going hard. With the back end basically all squared back up, put together. We've been cleaning up our cooling system, and basically making some improvements to bodywork fitment, and improvements to crash structure. Two important areas. We got to look good out on the track, and we want the car to survive if it gets into impacts, whether it may be in the front or the rear. So I hope everybody is enjoying the look. If you want to know what body kit this is, basically it's a Mazda Trix nose, Rocket Bunny style front fenders, custom side skirts we've modified in-house, and then custom rear fenders that are a complete rear over fender, kind of still Rocket Bunny style, but about an inch and a half wider than anything that was available on the market, because we simply needed more width and more track to the car for drift competition with not only the WiseFab kit, but overall stability. Most drift cars were adding width both in the front and rear for stability, steering angle, traction, all of the above. So custom KMR rear fenders. So kind of a combination of different body pieces from different manufacturers, with a vented hood that we're still cleaning up that will be part of the wrap. So I think that's a wrap. That's a brap. You know, I kind of like the way it looks black. It's almost unfortunate we couldn't just give this thing a true gloss black paint job and then go drive it around on the street. But obviously not a street car. It's a race car, and once the wrap's on there, it's going to look wild. So please check out the KMR store. We've got some merch, KMR shirts, team shirts. We've got more stuff coming on the rotary side, porting templates, new and used parts. If you need anything, drop me a message, check out the website, send an email. We are getting ready to go racing very soon. Formula Drift season starts basically first week of April. So follow the channel, watch this car come together, and check out the other projects we're doing here at KMR and Mazda Trix. That is a brap. I'm going to brap on out of here. Brap, brap.